Also, I actually did my Dutch braids today and I hadn't done this hairstyle in forever, so I'm happy that I finally did it and looks cute. Greetings, Earthlings. If you guys hadn't been living under a rock, you guys probably know there's this Area 51 raid thing that's going to be happening. So basically, what this whole Area 51 thing is about, people are going to raid into Area 51 doing the anime run, I think Naruto run, but I really wanted to do a DIY video and include some hot, spicy, trendy topic on it as well. So if you guys don't really support Area 51, it's okay because we respect each other's opinions on my channel. And yeah, so let's get straight into the video. Oh wait, hold up. I do want to say one small conspiracy theory I made up. So this one is actually interesting. Here's my conspiracy theory. So if the people are to raid into Area 51, the US government might actually be moving aliens from Area 51 to another place, swiping all the evidence, so when the day comes, people are going to Area 51 and then they find nothing and the government's gonna be like, haha, told you, we have aliens. So if you guys are actually really excited for Area 51, feel free to recreate my DIYs, get pumped for Area 51, and yeah, it's a very spicy video, so, and yeah, let's go. Now that we finally finished the shirt, which is so gorgeous, like, oh my gosh, has an alien icon and 51 right next to it, so cute. And we have a beautiful scrunchie to go with it. Now we're gonna need a bracelet.
I want you to see.
Now I'm ready to storm Area 51, looking like a DIY queen. I finished all my DIYs and yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy my 3 Area 51 inspired DIYs, and yeah, if you really enjoyed this video, give a huge like to this hairball. Okay, I know you're really excited about my DIYs that I just made, but can you not yell in this video, okay? Comment down below if I should do more of these DIYs. Thank you guys for watching my video. Also, I am so close up. Hold up, I know. I need space. So I hope you guys enjoyed my 5 Area 51 inspired DIYs. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time with a new video.